everybody. Bobby 2 Pops of breaks on Sunday, October the 31st. It is Halloween. We are breaking bomb box full-size helmets. Random up our 63 remaining box numbers. We got number 54. We did random team sales. Fucking spider, hang on. Cocksucker. We did random team sales for that on the left. We've already randomized teams, customers, alphabetized. Everybody gave y'all a chance to trade. I know, guys, I don't know. I'm really hoping this is going to be one of our placeholders, man. They're about evenly matched. I don't know why we're pulling nothing but the damn cash boxes here. Hoping this is one of our placeholders instead, guys. Well, yes, sir. Bam. Going to be a Seattle hit, guys. That is the DK Metcalf, folks. This should be here with my new shipment, guys. The one I had, when I opened it, it was badly damaged. It had a bunch of scratches on it. So that's one that they're replacing for me. I should have that by Tuesday, though. But going to be a Seattle hit with the DK Metcalf. Well, that's going to be a Team Z hit on that one. Bam. Well, not a monster for us, guys, but not a bad hit. Far from it. He had a good day today, even with Gino. What the hell's going on there? Hang on, guys. What the hell did I do? Bam. I've got that fixed. All right, there we go. I am going to pull one of Ken Dogs up. Oh, we got a 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times, guys. Bam. Well, Justin Schul and Jason Hill are going to be the qualifiers on that one. What's wrong, big guy? All right, 23 and 24 on our qualifiers. We're only 12 boxes into our series, guys. We got 62 boxes left. All teams still alive. And almost all your biggest hits still there. We did hit the Manning Eclipse. Other than that, guys, every one of those big hits is still there for you. All the way down to the monsters of the midway there. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch. Stop on to buy in. Join us at Bobby 2 Pops Breaks.